Hey, good morning, everybody. It's 8:04, almost 8:05. We have 25 minutes to the bell. I am really tired. Just lack of sleep. I tend to have a very consistent 1, 2 nights a week where I get just very, very awful sleep. Not really sure why, but what I do know is I'm up this morning on a swing from yesterday. Don't really care about that too much. I just want to close it, and then I want to just take it easy. Not too many decisions today, because I'm very exhausted. My brain can't function. I tried reading this to recap myself, and it took me like 3 minutes to read that and kind of like read it and then like understand it because I'm just not my brain's not functioning right now. So tired, exhausted. I just want to get this in. You can kind of see this was my swing yesterday. I'm kind of going cash heavy with obviously this downtrend just got broken. Um, Spy 2, the overall market is flipping. It might make a little quick bullish correction in a downtrend, or it's just gonna flip up to the upside, for good. I think it might just be February. January is such a bad month, such a bearish month. I think February they want to have a little bit of relief um, before March, the fear in March when they first have the rate hike. Um, you know, a lot of people telling the Fed that they should start off with maybe just a harsh 50 point hike, interest rate hike, 50 basis point interest rate hike, and that could be anticipated uncertainty. So I think we'll have some optimism in February, end of February, maybe like 3 weeks beforehand. Maybe like that last week of February, we might see another flip to like and then getting ready for, I believe, first rate hike should be like March 14th, the week of that. And that'll be a fun week because I am going to go on a little trip. So I'm going to be gone this week. But I will have my 3 year anniversary, trading anniversary kind of video posted that week as I leave. So I'll have that up. No trading that week. I'll have that video posted before I leave. And other than that, Boeing, you can see right here. Wham, 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 wham. There's this obvious resistance here. And yesterday, I bought at this little arrow. I bought at this dip right here when it it bounced off and then firmed up. Uh, Realistically, if I were any more risk adverse, well, I guess because I'm risk averse, I was just like, it's gonna bust through. Otherwise, I should have waited for a retest, but I would have missed out because there would have been no retest. This would have been a very nice break. But I'm happy with what I got. I got in at 2 contracts for a shorter time frame, up 500 when at market close, and now it's here. My price target is 205. I think it's got another $5 to run. I might. I'm gonna see how the morning opens. It's gonna fluctuate a lot because I think there's gonna be people taking their profits, and then there's gonna be people wanting it to maybe pop down to 199.5 or something before it runs back up. GE just got not GE, what the fuck? Boeing just took over. Qatar Airways had a issue with Airbus freight carriers, didn't like them or something. Boeing swooped in and took that very easily. Obviously, there's two big airline manufacturers. In a double-digit billion-dollar deal. Um, but it's confirmed by the company, so they know they got that deal. So we obviously see all those orders coming back in for airlines and freight, and Boeing will definitely have a have a good year on that with all that travel coming back in. I had a support for resistance drawn out. It just crossed that, just barely. And now it's kind of just hovering around that. I'll let it do what it's got to do. Boeing. Should I sell? Should I sell one? I sell one. Oh, give me a ripper. Give me a ripper. Rip to the bone. Yeah. Okay, we locked in 1, 2. All right, I'm going to shut up and I'm going to fast forward to when I close these out. So, see you later. Let me see if I can get 705. You know you... Ooh, 215 is the ask. So I'm kind of in the middle. Somebody might take it. Somebody take it. Buy me contracts. Buy me contracts, plus. Ooh, I'm gonna need to fill in the... Yeah, I fid. See, I saw that coming right here. What I'm seeing is a rising wedge. It's a reversal. It's going to be a nice little pullback. Very cool. So what I did is I quickly replaced it. Instead of asking for the top dollar, I took the highest bid, which is whatever that nearest buyer was, and they wanted 685 for it. I wanted 705. The ask at the top was 715. So I was kind of in the middle, but it wasn't going to get filled in this. As soon as I was making that adjustment, I saw the ask quickly, very rapidly drop from that 715 to 705 to 7 as I was hitting the submit button. Sent it in for 685. I'm so glad I did, because that drop is definitely, that drop is definitely there. So now what I'm looking for is, I have one last contract that's a longer swing, but I don't really care. I want to take my profit on it now, wait for it to do the pullback that I want it to, and then get back in for the next move up, next leg up after it's taken a little breather in the big picture that I see. So I still believe it's got a nice little run up to 205.77. I think it wants to do it. It wants to complete the move. Actually, I even see a move up to 209. 208. Let me just bring it out here. So I'm seeing maybe back up to this red line possibly. So obviously we saw this hiccup right here because of that line I showed you earlier. Price action says we're pretty confident right now. We can come up and tap the 200 SMA on the hourly. There might be one last run after the overbought, and then it's going to be losing enough momentum to the point where indeed it will run out of steam. So when it does that, it's going to flip, and we do not want to be hanging around for it to flip. So, you know what I'm saying? And then last thing we have to watch then is Netflix. And our position on Suncor. Look at it go. Ooh, yummy, yummy. All right, so it's coming over sold. We have one contract there, and it's up $100. I want it to do that. Come on, you can touch 205.25. Don't be like that. Don't be like that, bro. Don't be like that, mans. Ooh, tree white soldiers. I see tree white soldiers on the 5 minute. It's a bullish pattern, yeah, I see. But we have to end. If it can end the next 2 minutes in the green, 1, 2, 3, 3 very bullish. Well, it's like so bullish, but if they can end bullish, we can see a good run up to that 208 level. I'm telling you, you're in it first from me. You know what I'm saying? When I don't have sleep, I tend to turn into a crackhead. But it's okay. It's good energy. Ooh, tasty. Yes, we got another minute, 15 seconds. If it can do what it needs to do, we're gonna see 208 pretty soon. I'll take it at 208.5, whatever it wants to give me. These are very nice, very minute pullbacks. This is very good. Kind of makes you think then, why to sell the other two? Well, who knew, right? Who knew? My account is at least back to I had last week Monday I had made all-time highs for my account, all-time high balance, and with the trading that was so sideways, I lost so much in theta just sitting around doing nothing pretty much. It kind of brought me back almost $1,000. Just with this swing trade, making the right plays, I am pretty much back to where I was. So, very grateful for that. So, you know what? I'm going to take this off the table and just be happy, you know? Should I have taken the ask? Maybe. I mean, bid? Maybe. We'll see. It can do a 50% pullback if it wants to. Oh, groovy. You can come all the way back to there if you want. I'll give you some room to breathe. If it does not break this level, 205, we're going to have a little bit of a problem, okay? We're going to have a problem. It's going to do this bing, 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 bing.
On construction spending, expected to be up 0.6%, comes in way light, up 0.2%. That's the weakest level since it was minus 1.1 in February of 2021.
Number comes in hotter than expected, Morgan.
That's right. Dow transports are actually the outperformer, up 1.9%. Here's why. We're 30 minutes into the trading session. Here are the three.
Okay, so that's the wrap for that. So the last one, I was waiting for a 50% maximum retracement. That's kind of what I was looking for. It can always bounce to the 61.8 level and then maybe another retracement from there. Perfectly normal, like, you know, I might be doing right now. I don't think the market is loving all the economic data coming out. So that's fine. Get out of my shit. I still took like was it 40 or 50? My pay loss days, these are not reflective. Oops, mother. Okay, sorry guys. These are not reflective of the actual days totals because of this is on the day. So I don't know if you ever get confused, but pay loss open is if your position is open So if I'm holding this particular contract, this one, I might as well. If I'm holding this right here, this February 18th, 205 call, this is all the information. If it was open, this would be the running total. It would be fluctuating as it's moving up and down, blah, blah, blah. This is the pay loss day. So as the days flip over, so from yesterday to today, it resets just to show you what you made and what you gained on just today's movement. The pay loss day is the, it shows you what is open. I like seeing this because it tells me if there was 0, that means nothing is open. So I know that it's completely closed out. All we need to know is very happy with the move we made today. And we haven't even made our day trade yet. And I think we're up over 500 bucks swing trading. So I could do math with, I'll put the math in the title. So if you see the title, there it is. That's how much we made on the swing trades. I'll look at my statements later. So with this huge move down, pretty much 100% retracement, there could be a nice jump back in to make my day trade. But while it's doing that, I want to go look at Netflix. All right, guys, I forgot to hit the record right before I placed the order. But you can see right here, I have filled 5 Boeing calls at 9:14:21. It's 9:14:41. So just a few seconds ago. I'm almost regretting it now because it's kind of, it might be throwing itself into something that I'm not liking right now. I'm just going to keep a close eye on it. It's kind of doing something that I'm not loving right now, which is never great. But hey, if I have to get out and take like a $50 loss, I'm okay. I'm not going to get super greedy. But otherwise, I have my stop loss placed. I am Gucci, Louis. All right. AT&T to pay a $1.11 dividend. Cool. Okay, it's pretty cool. Waiting for one side to get tired out over the other. And it is what it is, Kish. We gotta get it above. Oh, look at it go. Ooh, don't give me that, please. All right, let's take some off the table. All right. Get a cut. I'll show you guys. This is the contract that's running right now, so just follow this one. Pay loss open is the 3 contracts we have left. The pay loss day is what we've already closed and what we have open. So we have 3 left. I took 2 out. And let's just take some more off the table. Fill her up. 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 Yeah, $8 spread right now. I'm not too concerned because my other option was to just let it run after all 3 of them did a nice little pullback. You know, probably meet it like 203.50, and we'll see how that moves from there. We can maybe try to get it at mid now, as people are probably anticipating a buy off the 9 EMA bounce. Spread is $4, $5 spread. Get the money spread on the bread. Ooh, Netflix, do your thing. Chicken wing. Oh, yep, there we go. Yep, there we go right there. Tasty. Okay. Okay, I see it. I see it. Boop, boop, boop. Yep, okay, Netflix is making a new high on the intraday. Very nice, very nice. Take some money out there. Okay. Two seconds. 1, 2, close. Let's make another try up. So we're seeing a bullish pennant forming, bullish pennant or flag, depending on how the rest of this formation pans out. Or we could, hopefully this might just be just a very easy, few bar pull down. Pull back. Just a simple pullback that pretty soon is going to leg up. Hopefully, that's our optimism. That's our optimistic view. Please go up. That's very nice. 10 seconds. Not seeing any huge volume on Netflix. No crazy volume, but it's making new highs. Oh my god. Suncor here on X Games mode. Suncor on X Games mode. Oh, that's all-time new highs. Like in the last 2 years. Oh, he on X Games mode. Oh. We can't get too happy though, because if the market decides to flip in like a week, we have to make sure we take our profits and we just be happy with that, because you never know. You just never know. All right, I'm out. Nice. All right, that's our day trade, guys. Ooh, mother. Hate when it does that. $196 on that day trade. I'm gonna get a running total for you guys for the headliner, and I haven't even closed out my Netflix position yet, but that one is gonna be a longer swing because I see some huge potential, okay, and it's gonna just take off. I think momentum is big on this one. So yes, we are done looking at Boeing. Thank you very much. I'm gonna take those proceeds, give me a private jet. All right. So just a recap of the video. I was editing the video, forgot to do a outro and like a summary. So recapping, we had a total today swinging our Boeing contracts from yesterday. That was 3 contracts. Wrapping up our day trade too. I think that day trade was 197, was it right? But we closed out on $977 today. From yesterday's swing trade to today, and that one day trade we got today. My Netflix position and my Suncor position are the only ones that are open left. My Netflix one, I'm swinging. See how that one goes. It's kind of a Hail Mary, so I don't mind risking the $72 I have in it. But I'm willing to see where it takes me tomorrow. And also, lastly, the Suncor position, I'm holding long term, so I'm probably not going to update you on that one when that closes. So otherwise, thank you guys for watching this long video. It was kind of unexpected, but everything worked out for the best. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.